Adobe has been a leader in the design industry for decades, consistently delivering innovative tools and software that help designers bring their vision to life. Recently, Adobe launched a new tool called Firefly, which promises to revolutionize the design process by making it easier and more efficient for designers to create and collaborate on projects. This tool is an innovation that the design world has been waiting for, and here is why. Firstly, Firefly offers a seamless workflow for designers. It allows designers to work in the same environment as their clients, streamlining the design review process. This means that designers no longer have to send files back and forth or wait for feedback, as they can collaborate in real time using Firefly. Additionally, Firefly allows designers to make changes to their designs on fly, so they can quickly iterate. And refine their ideas without interrupting their workflow. Another key feature of the Firefly is its ability to integrate with other Adobe tools seamlessly. This means that designers can easily import their work from Photoshop, Illustrator, or any other Adobe software into Firefly. Without having to worry about compatibility issues. This integration allows designers to work more efficiently, as they can easily switch between tools without having to constantly export and import their work. In addition to its seamless workflow and integration with other Adobe tools, Firefly also offers a range of innovative features that help designers take their work to the next level. For example, Firefly has a built-in feedback system that allows designers to get real-time feedback from clients and other team members. This feedback system is designed to be intuitive and easy to use, so designers can quickly understand what changes they need to make to their designs. Firefly also offers a range of collaboration features that make it easier for designers to work together on projects. For example, Firefly has a built-in chat system that allows team members to communicate with each other in real time, making it easier to coordinate and stay on the same page. Additionally, Firefly allows team members to leave comments on specific design elements. so designers can easily see what changes need to be made and why. Perhaps one of the most exciting features of Firefly is its ability to support virtual reality and augmented reality design. This is a game changer for designers who are working on projects that require a high degree of immersion and interactivity. With Firefly, designers can create VR and AR experiences that feel realistic and engaging, helping them to communicate their ideas more effectively to clients and stakeholders. Overall, Firefly is an innovation that the design world has been waiting for. It offers a range of features that make it easier and more efficient for designers to create and collaborate on projects, and it integrates seamlessly with other Adobe tools. Additionally, Firefly offers a range of innovative features such as its built-in feedback system, collaboration features, and support for VR and AR design. As the design industry continues to evolve, tools like Firefly will play an increasingly important role in helping designers bring their visions to life. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest uploads. If you have any comments or suggestions for future videos, please leave them down below. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video.